welcome the first speaker of the affirmative team.
Your Excellencies, judges, respectable chairman, honorable Allah, and esteemed follower, and all members of the audience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Again, we are coming from His Holy Morning School. Let us introduce our affirmative team. My name is Zahra Anas, the sports speaker. Beside, Putri Wazania, the second speaker, and Suryani, the third speaker. Okay, in this good time, in this good occasion, before I explain about this household preschool fee for high school, I want to explain what is preschool fee. We know that preschool fee is very important for students and also for government. Why? With this preschool, that the student can get the knowledge more than he knows. And also by this preschool fee, there's much advantage. First, like to make the student in looking for knowledge. Why? Because there's no outdoor to about economy social, and then it also by preschool fee it doesn't bother foreign students. Maybe there is the poor who they less for economic also the money, and then by this preschool fee, inshallah there's no employment next graduate. For example, we look in Indonesia especially, there's many people who doesn't study to the school and looking for knowledge. Why? Because they pay for their money. We can, if we got it, the preschool fund, we will very happy. I think there is no student who knows this preschool, especially in high school. Even though it's one of the continued education, of course, for the bright future. And the school for preschool fee for high school, first to support the student to looking for knowledge hard. And also, you know, the lazy student, maybe they will get that school fee. By this thing, he said to yourself, I must get this school fee. By then, I will not study hard as hard. And then, there's a difference between poor woman or also with rich woman. All that same, this asymmetry social. It also facilitates them to achieve their hope because they don't think about the money, only think about looking for knowledge and knowledge. Practice. It also to continue their school to get university. If they only think about money and this preschool fee that will bring them and also bring them free to the next grade and also the next university. This household preschool fee for high school is very important for government because this also one of state commitment to every student, especially in this Indonesia. You know, by this preschool fee, that's very support the student to study, learning a new language, and also to make every student who go to the next graduate will sacrifice everything. Because we know this is the right of every student, and also this is based on in the law of state, like to achieve their hope. There's no sorry. This is the step to the good generation. And the parents who hope their their children what their hope that will be true, and every dream is will be true. That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The first speaker of the affirmative team spent the time 5 minutes 25 seconds. And please welcome the first speaker of the negative team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are for negative group. We want to introduce our team. My name is Manadara. I am the first speaker. And the second speaker is Tekila Mayani. And the third speaker is Ulia. My honorable committee and jury and
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm the second speaker for the organic thing. Thank you for your opinion, but I think the free school fee for high school is so important to us. Why? Because we can get the big opportunity. We can get the big opportunity to the poor to get knowledge. If we don't get the free school fee for high school, and how about the poor? She can get knowledge, but just the rich people can get knowledge. How about the poor? And by the free school fee for high school, we don't see get a Japanese French word because the knowledge, the difference between the rich people or the poor. All of us must get knowledge. And by the free school fee for high school, don't burden the parent student because the student don't think about her mom or about her dad because she was think just study and don't think that about her parent. Maybe her parents like just look for the money to pay for the school fee for them. So I think the free school fee for high school is important for us because all of us can get much knowledge and we can get the big opportunity to get knowledge. Thank you.
The second speaker of the affirmative team spent the time 2 minutes 26 seconds. Now please welcome the second speaker
Okay, today we will say thank you to Julie. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Surani. I'm from the recommended team. I'm the third speaker. And thank God to the second speaker for new measure. But technically, if we get the free school fee, we can to study her, and we can to focus for to get the good grade, and we can to our friend to get our friend get the school fee, free school fee. Why can we can? And then, if we think this the big chance for the poor to improve the education, and this can help our economy to our parents. So we can think we not to think about the money because we can see we can get the fiscal fee, and then we not burden our parents because we say our parents is we to hurt our parents, and can be placed for teach knowledge, and we can to do not only in the in high school. If we get the free school fee, we can go to the we can continue to our we can continue our study to the good university, and that reason by poor and rich that is same. And then if we for the free school fee for high school, then the lazy student can to study hard or get the best winner, and education is the winner from to women to draw students to look for the best university. Okay, maybe I begin. Thank you.
The third speaker of the affirmative team spent the time 3 minutes 29 seconds. And please welcome the third speaker of the negative team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kuya. I'm
It's time for negative team to give their reply speech.
Okay, our input is we are not agree with this topic because the student will be lazy to study because don't say anything and make the student will not focus to study and they will have the not good score. For example, when examination, so it is not good to enter university. It's not better to have mental effort than the reverse. Did not hurt over it is always better than it hang under. But it is if it is mental progress can give you at this time. It is not. This may be the cleanup of two previous paths. Is mentally lazy. The habitat of getting something for free will never stimulate you to try and progress. And I very disagree with this topic is preschool before high school. That's all.
The reply speaker of the negative team spent time 1 minute 15 seconds. And we go to the reply speaker of the affirmative team.
Okay, thank you, Joyce. Here, I will contradict for the first speaker. She said that preschool fee for high school is not good. And so it is important, of course. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, maybe the teacher one, they do not try to deal with the money, but how about the woman? Does they think about that? And as you know, to keep working and without work, how could they get much money to bring their children to the school? If you say the free school fee is not good for high school, it means the government has nothing. For example, in Papua, most of them is poor women. Will the government let them just study because they want? And it is the way. As you know, if the government only gives the school fee for elementary and also junior high school, and the students can only go to school to the high school because of economics is the same. I think there's some students who don't have preschool, the preschool fee is of course. And when the first speaker from the team said that the preschool fee for high school isn't good and isn't important, only make them lazy and doesn't focus, I will answer that no. Thank you.
The reply speaker of the affirmative team spent time 1 minute 41 seconds. And thank you for the team.